Welcome to day 90, I think. Yeah, welcome to day 90, backtesting until I'm profitable. This one came in a bit late. It's actually not a bit late, but very late. So let's just get started without the delay. Let's remove the drawings. Alright, so I'll start on the daily. And you can see that on the daily, we have a bullish profile. Still have these daily highs right here, and we've dropped nice into this fair value gap here. So I'm expecting bullish prices. You can see that we even reached consequent encroachment of the gap. So very nice drop. So I'm looking for higher prices. So this is buy side, and this one. So let me mark them. Got buy side here, got buy side here. Now going to the 1 hour. I'd like to mark one of them. So I think I'm remaining with this higher one right there. But let's keep on both. So we have this buy side, levels of buy side liquidity. These are daily highs. Now we dropped into the, I think this is the consequent encroachment of the week as well. This week, so let's see on the daily, you can see if we put a fib on this week from the low to the high, you can see it dropped to consequent encroachment of the week, and we're currently looking for higher prices. So yeah, I'm looking to push higher, and same thing is on ESO on 15 minute now. Let's see how it's looking. So 15 minute, we have this low from the morning to go here, reacted to this nice imbalance, and here we found a very nice order block. You can see it, and when we go to 30 minutes, you can see it's even more clearer. You can see it right here, like this. Alright, so, and we're running for these levels higher, so let's see what happens on the low range. So the 5 minute, we also have this order block here. I think it will hold price as well, and we have this breakaway gap. Back with 1 minute, let's see what happens. We'll drop into the order block. By the way, I think I would like to see the daily open. Let's go to, what day is it? 2024 May. 2024 May 9th. Is it 9th? 9th May. 9th May. 9. I'd like to go to actually the day before at 16:00. 16:00 exactly. So it's here. Market closed here, opened here. So this market day open gap. So this candle opened here. Sorry, this candle it closed here, and market opened here. So it's not that big of a gap. Yeah, can push it. That's the new day open gap. You can see we spiked into it again one day, and it's kind of far. Well, I don't know, it's not that far. Let's see where we're at. So the gap is here and we're there, so it's nothing to get scared of. Alright, so let's go and see what happens. I'm expecting a low get taken out, maybe this one, and boom, that's how market opens, and we drop. Did we take out this low? No, we did not. Do we take it out? Yes, we take it out and drop into the new week open gap right here. So let's see what happens if we shift, push back into this volume imbalance, and we drop past the new day open gap, and we drop into the fair value gap from the 5 minute, the one that we thought was going to be a breakaway. We drop even further, and we drop to almost 9 there. Boom, into this sort of block and take out these lows from the morning. Very crazy drop. Whether did we get any kind of SMT here? No. Any kind of change in state? Yep, right here. Retracement, sweep, change in state, retracement at 9:34. Back to the 5-minute now. Okay, so drop. Right now, for me, I'm honestly waiting for a reversal. So we take out this low and this auto block holds. And going back on the 1 hour, do we have any kind of POI there? I'm afraid not, but it's the consequent encroachment of this week. Let's see how it's looking like on the 1 minute. I have this series of candles, change in state, but we didn't get any kind of inversion. So market pushes higher, crazier than we expected, because it put in an good SMT from these lows. Very nice SMT, but did not get an entry. Change in state, we didn't get any retracement as we wanted. Let's see what happens. Maybe we might get a retracement to OTE here. And I would like this to be OTE. You can see drop down into OTE, so here I'll be looking for buys, but let's see if we can exhaust it and reach into this gap. Right, nice. And we put in another SMT here. So here I'd like to look for buys. But no, it's not my setup. I want the change in state first. Change in state, retracement, and boom. Here I would have taken an entry. I don't know why I ran the candle so fast. But here the entry, target this high. So let me just see if I can scalp it even though I'm late. Target there, stop loss there. We're risking less because yeah, we were late. Let's see what happens if we end up hitting take profit. Boom. Take profit gets tagged in. Very, very nice 1-to-1. And I think we'll also reach that level there. And we're still in the morning, so a very nice move. Very, very nice. And now, I think I'm about to see some kind of rejection. We took out this high, and this was a really, really nice ride. Very nice ride. This was like the Venom model. You can see drop into this range here. Take out this low and reverse. Now back to the 1 minute. So going on the 2 minute, you can see that we have this change in state. And is this the ultimate buy side liquidity? It's there. We have a good change in state here. And I think market will push for me to take out buy side. Is market dancing around? Dance around all you want, but in the end you hit. Okay, it's consolidating, so here we can actually find an entry if we sweep out this series of lows here. Okay, so we take out the low and again. Okay, so we're dropping. I think it was because we took out the high. Let's go back to the daily. No, not the daily, maybe the 1 hour. So we took out this high there, this one, and here we formed an SMT. Didn't take out this high, but you can see how energetic ES was, hence the drop. So that's why we're seeing these crazy down close candles. So we dropped to a new day open gap again, and we put in some kind of SMT here. You can see it, and it's in line, so lunch macro plates thing up there. Let's see if we can get a retracement. Boom, here entry should be ready for buys. And what's the target? Obviously if we're continuing lower, we should rebalance to OTE. So from here to here, OTE is here, so that will be the low hanging fruit. So long target OTE, stop loss, constant pressure of the week. And now let's do this, and let's wait for it to pan out. Let's see how this goes. Let's go. Right, slowly by slowly. Okay, very crazy. Ooh, we get another sweep inside here. Maybe get a change in state, inversion, and let me see if we can get a retracement to get one. Nope, none. But take profit gets hit. Very nice 2.5 hour. So here we end up hitting TP. Very nice. So you don't know why the markets really look clear. Alright, so let's go back here. So if this is a rebalance to OTE, then market would obviously drop. But here we haven't taken out this high as well, so let's see what goes on. Lunch macro is doing its thing here. Okay, crazy dropped here. SMT alert, SMT. We get a change in state. And after this change in state, let's see if we get a retracement of the change in state. Ooh, we get a retracement of the change in state. So I don't know why I'm certain that this take profit should be taken. I mean, entering here, targeting there, with my stop loss at the 50 of the week, that will be a 1-to-1. Let's risk another 500. Now let's take this entry. wait and see, do we hit TP or not? So we're not inside the macro. I should get this word, take us out. And I think this is because this fair value that's all holding. How's the 5 minute looking like? I don't think the 5 minute is okay. Didn't reach the consequent encroachment, which means yeah, it will really push up some other time, but not a bad trade to me. Alright, we put in another SMT. Very crazy one actually. I'd like to see what the 5 minutes looking like. Yeah. So we're here now. Right into this block here. We consolidate somehow. Yikes. Take up this low. Crazy inversion there. Let's see. Changing state. And we push higher. So what was this? Do we have any kind of block here? Let's see on the 5 minute. Yeah. Let's ignore that. Into this CB here. Okay, so we're in the last hour of the trading day. And the last hour creates, well, we still have this high holding with some relatively equal highs. I think when we go to the 15 or even the 1 hour, you can see we have very nice pool of liquidity there. So that will be our target for tomorrow. Wait a minute, we hit it overnight. Devastated. Next day opens here, and crazy trading. So let's go to the next day open. Let's remove. Let's first see how it's looking on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we've dropped down. I think here I've had some kind of. Yo, when did this happen? It happened in the morning session. Crazy. So the liquidity objectives have been targeted and they have been hit, so yikes. I think that will be all. Anyways, we're kind of late for a boy, so yeah, see you in today's session, because it's actually already 24th July. Peace out.